Hi, I'm Dean Wicks from Safari Snorkels. Is a snorkel only for a diesel four-wheel drive? It is possible to design a snorkel to suit a petrol, and there obviously are still the benefits for a petrol engine if it is able to breathe a lot better and get cooler air into the air cleaner system. The short answer is yes, we'll do a petrol variant if it doesn't mean redesigning a whole snorkel. Another question we get asked regularly, is a snorkel only for four-wheel drives that do river crossings? A snorkel's designed not only for river crossings but also to reduce dust air intake into the air cleaner system. So from your tourer, grey nomad towing a caravan out on the highway, a snorkel has benefits other than eliminating water ingress going through a river crossing. It reduces dust intake as well, prolonging air cleaner life, and also obviously has that benefit of a nice, clean, cool air being delivered down into the airbox of the engine. The insurance that a snorkel gives you when you're doing a river crossing is paramount, but designed for more than just a river crossing. I'm Dean Wicks from Safari Snorkels. I hope that answered some of your questions.